Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast, and I hope you had a great Tuesday. Boy, it was another hot one out there today. 98 yesterday, 99 on Sunday, and we reached the century mark today with not a cloud in the sky. Our Stein Hill tower camera, great shot looking back down at Wenatchee, and as I mentioned, not hardly a cloud in the sky and not much relief from that heat. Major heat risk for all of us in this red area, and that slides up into Wenatchee, also for Chelan. I don't know if Chelan quite reached 103 degrees today. We did here in Wenatchee, as well as Moses Lake, and all of these areas to our south, all into the 100 degree to 105 degree mark. And we're going to keep this up because it's not going to cool down all that much tonight. Many of us with low temperatures right around 75 degrees. So, boy, be extra careful out there. We did it 100 degrees unofficially today in the Wenatchee Valley, well above where we should be for this time of year. 88 is our normal high, 103 our record high. We almost got there. That was set in 2015. This morning, a mild overnight low, 70 degrees, actually a warm overnight low. 62 is normal, and 53 our record low, set back in 1991. We're at 2.68 inches of precip since January 1st, and that is now officially 2 full inches behind where we should be for this time of year. Sunrise 5:54, and it sets tonight at 8:17. Here's a look at what you can expect as you get into Wednesday. Temperatures will cool down and cool down quite a bit, but still pretty warm out there, especially in the Columbia Basin. Moses Lake and Ephrata at 94. Quincy will see 93, about 91 in Wenatchee, also Eniat, and then just a little bit warmer from Chelan up into Omak, 87 in Lake Wenatchee, and 90s tomorrow for both Leavenworth and for Kashmir. The big news tomorrow is wind, and we will talk about that in a second. Tonight, clear skies. It will be a little bit breezy as low pressure collides with high pressure that's been parked out in the Pacific. We will stay definitely on the mild side overnight with lows in the low 70s. And here's our wind as we get into Wednesday afternoon. We're talking gusts possibly up to 30 miles an hour, creating critical fire danger, fire weather watch in place all day tomorrow. Going to be cooler too with high temperatures in the low 90s, so a little cooler and then much cooler as we get you into Thursday. Mostly sunny. We'll see high temperatures on Thursday with a quiet day expected into the mid 80s. As we get you into the end of our week and into the weekend, things get a little bit wet. Mostly cloudy on Friday. It's all because of an area of low pressure that's coming down from the Gulf of Alaska, and a pretty good area of showers as we get into Friday afternoon, especially back to our west. It will be cooler. We might not even reach 80 degrees for a high temperature on Friday. And then as we get you into the upcoming weekend, a mix of clouds and sun on Saturday. Once again, we'll keep about a 50% chance of mainly shower activity on Saturday. High temperatures warming a little bit into the low 80s to kick off our weekend. And then by Sunday, that ridge of high pressure sort of redevelops in the western part of Washington. We'll stay on the mild side Sunday with high temperatures then into the mid 80s, and not much change as we start our next work week on Monday. Mostly sunny and mild. This ridge of high pressure once again will keep that area of low pressure at bay at least on Monday. Will be nice with high temperatures Monday in the mid to upper 80s. All right, your 7-day forecast, 73 degrees overnight tonight. Fire weather watch, which I think will turn into a warning as we get into Wednesday. 91 with wind for Wednesday. Mostly sunny and cooler on Thursday at 86. And then maybe some wet weather. A 50% chance of rain both Friday and Saturday. And boy, look at those temperatures. Much cooler. 79 Friday, 83 on Saturday. And then some nice weather for both Sunday and Monday. Mostly sunny skies with high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.